Yo! Eddie from Pave Tech here. What's up, everybody? Asphalt. So, just about done with the mill. Sweeping everything up with the digger sweeper. And as you can see, tearing it up, getting everything ready. Tomorrow I'm going to take out that berm on the left. They said they didn't need to do it, but it's just falling apart. So I'm going to do it. We're over here at Newton Village in beautiful Newton, Massachusetts, the Garden City. And the driveway over there with that white car, they want to mill it as well and pave it. Got about 4 loads out of here. This machine and dropped off my other one. Needed some repair, so just swapped it out. Alright, take another one tomorrow. Over now.